National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Jackson County in northeastern Kansas until 9:45 p.m. At 9:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Delia, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hoyt, Mayetta, Delia, and Potawatomi Reservation. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.